What's up, guys? I just wanted to show you what it looks like for a tortoise to be peeing in the water. So what they really do is they chillax, they eat at his new enclosure. He didn't get good sleep, but that's okay. I'm looking forward to making him a better pet, so he's nice and comfy. I'm gonna put some hay inside as well, so it kind of keeps it comfy. But I just want to show you guys a gadget tortoise grazing the yard. Giant. Well, they get really big. I'm glad. Because, honestly, if you really want to get a tortoise, you have to be fully committed to taking care of it, because it's quite a large animal. Especially because the sulcata tortoise is the third largest tortoise in the world. The largest is the Galapagos. Alright. Galapagos, you need a license because they're endangered. It's grazing. Oh, come on, dude, don't eat poop. Hey! Alright, sorry guys. Right there. Don't eat poop. Alright. Well, he usually eats his own poop because it doesn't really leave any nutrients. And if they don't have any food to eat, they'll eat their poop. Because it has the same nutrients they eat it from. But that's not his poop. That's my dog's. I know it's disgusting and it's not abuse. Their belly is meant for eating anything. And the hibiscus and their feet too. Dude, you don't need to eat poop. You've been fed plenty. Get that off. Look at the jaws on that guy. My God! Slowing it. Look at that big boy. He's probably about 20 pounds. He's not big. Well, I mean, he's big when he was like this size when he was a baby. He was a yearling when we got him when he was a yearling. He doesn't have bad purity. From far it kind of does, but when you look up closely, it's not that bad. He's not getting to the point where it's pointy. And he looks completely healthy. Now, bubbles on their eyes are not a good sign, but it's not on both of his eyes, and that will probably go away. Because that's happened to him once, and now it's happening to him again. And once again, guys, I just wanted to make a video on my tortoise. Just showing you that tortoises are adorable. Please enjoy. Please like, subscribe, turn the notifications on. See you all later.